do exercise 8. In this exercise, you're going to continue practicing using the pronouns I, he, she, you, we, and they. However, you're going to use the verb to be, and then we're going to have a noun. So, I am a mechanic is the first example. I am means to be. I am a mechanic. He is a mechanic. She is a mechanic. You are a mechanic. We are mechanics. And they are mechanics. The reason why here mechanics becomes plural is because we indicates is more than one person, including myself. We. They also means that it's more than one person, and so it's also plural. They are mechanics. So the rule to follow for this exercise is the subject, which would be your pronoun, which is our focus for this section. To be would be the verb, and the noun at the end, indicating what they are. So let's go on to the first exercise. For number 1, chef. The subject would be the pronoun I. I, and to be, I am. I am a chef. As you can see, I still have an article in front of my noun. I am a chef. He is would be the verb for he. He is a chef. Again, she is the same as he. He would be for masculine, a man or a boy. She would be for a woman or a girl. She is a chef. Then we have the pronoun you. You. You are a chef. And then we have we are chefs. And then we have they are chefs. I am a chef. He is a chef. She is a chef. You are a chef. We are chefs. They are chefs. Let's go on to number 2. Vendor. Again, the subject would be our pronouns. So here I have I. I am is to be, the verb to be. I am a vendor. He is a vendor. She is a vendor. Then we come to you. You, in order to change the verb to be for you, is are. You are a vendor. Then we have we are vendors. Again, because it is plural, we add an S because the word we indicates it's more than one person. And the last one is they are vendors. You will now continue with the following exercises. Remember, you can stop the video and look at the rules on how to follow and change the verbs to be, and also when you are dealing with more than one person, how you need to add an S to make the noun a plural. Good luck with your exercises, and don't forget to use your book, Steps to Success, as a resource and go back to look at the rules so you could do the exercises correctly.